Welcome, today I am with Beats Studio Buds and I will show you how you can reset them. So as you can see, I'm currently connected with my Android smartphone. When I'm going to open the case, I will be connected right now. So how we can reset these buttons? As you can see, when you open the lid, we can find this button right here. And we have to click and hold it for a few seconds. Take a look. Until this indicator change color to the red one. Keep holding. And as you can see right now, when it blinks on the red color for the 3 times and then blinking on white color, it means that we successfully reset them. And right now, when we try to connect, as you can see, we are disconnected and we can pair them one more time. So that's how we can reset Beats Studio Buds. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.